Genetics is a kind of memory, a love letter from the past, a kind of oppression, an obligation which needs meeting. Technology fires when human memory is incapable because I am dying and you are dying maybe even faster than that. The whole experience of life is undefinable, unquantifiable, and what it is will not stay. In a few generations, no memory of us will exist, as if we ever existed as entities in anything but time who occupied space. Future memory is present panic. Future children will witness our present lives. No one really dies until the last file is corrupted. We cannot afford certain kinds of accidents, but my panic is not a deluge of gray goo. The earth is eating itself, purging its traces of us as the sky burns, keeping the sun from irradiating every cell in our bodies. The sun is going to grow and swallow the earth, and no being will ever know we were here. We are the figments of an imagination we cannot ideate. There will be no time when there is nothing left to measure it. Bystanders in space where everything gets erased. Time will be in chaos until it isn't, a negation of understanding of the universe. Space is a negation of being. Time, a negation of space. Nothingness, a negation of time. Consciousness, a negation of nothingness. My panic is not a nanomachine that can't stop itself. It's a human with a gun that won't. My panic is not a bug or bot that replicates. It's a human with nothing to replicate for. And my panic is not the sun expanding and boiling away our seas. It's that we're doing it to ourselves and to every other being, and we can't stop ourselves from want. That much I remember. And memory is a fetish relived until it cannot be, until it fades or gets blown out the back of the head. It's not the roads, but the f-stops between them. The things that terrify only breed in moonlight, preferring to linger when the irradiation halts. I grow fast, but always sideways, getting meaner as night wears on. We're drifting into oncoming traffic, but the lights keep me from saying it. Not everyone can be shot, but that stops no one from trying. The scene tricks me into revealing a before self when I need to hide it most. This is the undoing of a society that will not hold for other moments, pretending it lives. Conceptions of times have faded. There is no stopping because there's nothing else to do. The crisis point is coming and fibers are debriding, and the only spectacle will do. Unveiled with an eye closed, this is not the path, but the way of unbeing, of altering, alternating, abandon. An island that stills the waves. Even the most jaded feel a spike, the vein tapped and running. I am obfuscation in the guise of a language that I cannot help but translate. These are my wings, my umlauts.